Hello, Richard here from Eagle 6 Airsoft. We are going to be testing this Tokyo Marine Mark 18 gas blowback. Obviously popular guns. We have installed a Nineball Strike Arm for a bit more lift on heavier ammo, Nineball Hop Rubber, and a Nineball Nineball Barrel. And obviously the gun comes as standard with a sling point, so there's some notes on there about sling. We have, so we're just going to test it now, just to demonstrate it working, ready for use. Again, quite cold in here, so you can sort of feel it tailing off towards the end there, but such is life of gas blowback owners. So hopefully everything's all good for you and you enjoy it. Obviously build quality is obviously fantastic on these incredibly popular guns, and we hope you enjoy. Thank you.